Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join the emergency response Discord server on Roblox on Discord. So just go to the bottom of your Discord server list right here and press on add a server. Then right here we need to select join a server, and this is what you need to type. You need to type discord.gg/y capital J F capital A K6C. So this is the Discord server link. You need to type it, press on join server, and as you can see, police roleplay community right here. You need to verify your account, so we want to select verify right here. So we need to complete a few more steps. Just read through all of these rules, then accept them, mark it like so, and then you need to verify with circle. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.